हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज हम कर रहे हैं रेन एंड मार्टिन की हाई स्कूल ग्रामर से एक्सरसाइज नंबर 24। ये एक्सरसाइज जो है ये भी अगेन आर्टिकल्स पर ही बेस्ड है। हम इसमें करेंगे ए, एन और द। यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है इंसर्ट आर्टिकल्स वेयर नेसेसरी, जहां जरूरी हो वहीं आपको आर्टिकल्स को ऐड करना है। पहला है व्हाइल देयर इज लाइफ देयर इज होप। इसमें कहीं कोई आर्टिकल ऐड नहीं होगा। दूसरा है her knowledge of medicine had been acquired under aged Jews. उसका यहाँ पर हम कहाँ ऐड करेंगे? Her knowledge of medicine had been acquired under an aged Jews. Sun rises in east. The sun rises in the east. The brave soldier lost an arm in the battle. The doctor says it is a hopeless case. I like to live in the open air. Get a pound of sugar from the nearest grocer. Set back the clock. It is an hour too fast. The poor woman has not a rupee. You must take care. कोई आर्टिकल की जरूरत नहीं है। The Eskimos make houses of snow and ice. Where did you buy the umbrella? Have you ever seen an elephant draw the map of India? Do not look a gift horse in the mouth. Have you told him about the accident? Tagore was a great poet. How blue the sky looks. Who wishes to take a walk with me? What a beautiful scene this is. The musician was an old muscle man. The river was spanned by an iron bridge. The moon did not rise till after 10. Like true sportsmen, they would give the enemy fair play. They never fail who die in a great cause. There is nothing like staying at home for comfort. He likes to picture himself as an original thinker. Is never a thankful offer advice. An umbrella is of no avail against the thunderstorm. I have not seen him since he was a child, for Brutus is an honorable man. Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon. Man has no more right to say an uncivil thing than to act one. We started late in the afternoon. It is a strange thing how little in general people know about the sky. The scheme failed for want of support. The tiger, an animal equal to the lion in size, is a native of Asia. Time makes the worst enemies friends. My favorite flower is the rose. The time we live ought not to be computed by the number of years, but by the use that has been made of them. Mumbai is the largest cotton textile center in the country. Men are too often led astray by prejudice. Only the best quality is sold by us. What kind of bird is that? Wild animals suffer when kept in captivity. May we have the pleasure of your company. It was the proudest movement of my life. The Andamans are group of islands in the Bay of Bengal. He started school when he was 6 years old. He neglects attending church, though the church is only a few yards from his house. March is the third month of the year. Dr. Arnold was headmaster of rugby. Man cannot live by bread alone. When will father be back? Apennines are in Italy. The Apennines are in Italy. ये रही आपकी एक्सरसाइज. मिलते हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 25. टाइप करिए ASA एजुकेशन.